Odofo medase se ode wafidie na ato Adom TV. Ya wone osomfo ni tekotego ibetu anamuntuo bi. Ene atifi sama medem nam ne se how to be the best version of who you are. How to be the best version of who you are. Everyone made by God has within them a potential to become great and successful. Obia o trading ampon na ebo wo no o de bibi adua wo mu se obaye o mama na watumpon wanya yedie nanso o de hye wo mu no nkyere se ebeba ne sada me ka se na no me koto mobile phone no kura me na nya adwuma isa se na chip nim ya me de chip hye mu nso no se me download no ma na phone ayema se me de bibi fofo hye mu a betimi a store bibi wo mu na efe medwira phone ho na etofo a ansay. I made the best use of the phone so the bayan esobeba mfaso ama me. That's how you are also made to be. Onyame bo wo no odnioma bi dua wo mu ba sese wo dnioma bi kan abrabo ho asa wabrabo adimu aso ani anya nkonimdie. For most of us, through our training and conditioning, we have become our own enemies. Bebre na tete de ma yen enoma ye fam no ama ya nkasa ya no kasa na ne ye adane atamfo ya esisi ye kwan na emma kwan ma enoma nyame de dua mu no ye nsa betimi aka oseme dia me Ghana me de me nkrani kwa me Ghana ji me bona be ni chon kwa cho me ni me de me akani na na me de na ode se din we wa no ho na wajai enoma wo nyame de dua ne mu no so be di akiri ayo enkyere de ma wo susu de tu tim akwan de ofa so no abe susu dua ma abrabo yes na ese ba no onyankopon ebo wiye. You were made to become great, each one of us. None of us were made to be poor, ordinary or grassroots. We were all made to live as royals on this earth. By your environment, baby, your friend, baby, our background, your chi, your kromo, your free, one at the and the life circumstances we face. And then your my firm of and quite a brimbe sin and no and a sick quine, and my yabrabo, a bit baby, I do ya sabi, baby, ye tribute swing. Our world is full of opportunities and problems that needs to be solved. Very often, we exercise self-doubt. As someone about ye with the me hunano. Excuse, oh, nyami na se me yes, oh, ya na ye. Oh, where the nyami sa no adwuma we na so ye. Too much worrying at 10 years me. Baby, I don't want policemen. They be not prosecute on one home. I was Supreme Court. And I wait there, made them and fata. And I wait there. If you been come and say, na onwa e bunu ho abonfia. No I ha. Afi adenda ho no. Obedwina adwina bro so e fe no overthinking. These are the things that get in the way of your divine power. Self-doubt, excuses, too much worrying, being anxious, overthinking and blaming others are the things that get in the way of your divine power to create great things. Some of us have become self-destructive. We think we are victims. Yeah, dear. I'm me mama kurabi ejebi ma nko school me classmate alumni kramenti alumni ase, and we are so fearful in using our divine potential. Onyame bo won wa ma secondary school wa ma university o se me bo se me seso wa ma se kolegon Ken University anake vas o se me bo se me seso na bra na be sha de nyina so dominate, to be fruitful, so be swamba and multiply. So would it be back war? These are the intents of God at creation. When you do the show, Muntino say, come and dominate, be in charge, be fruitful, swamba, and ya work and multiply. So onyami any be the show mo and concase best idea. Name baby I say antetia. Atiatia ene nyoma abefa mu no etwa nyame nyansa ene empo na kwanche ode hye omu no ye bisa on se ye wa kwada one a chance on ya. The wakwada, one a chance emredu ne ma million friend man da. The wakwada, one a chance no for your num and young one and when it any tree. They say, Obia baby as some young sebu timwa, unyamede mawo. Nanso atete, atiatia, and I mean way, Memfa, where Jimmy, what say, what they say, na aka unyaminya sound de ma ona ashe. Na kusia de friend of factual knowledge. Obi nkrata watintim, ya a friend of theories. Obi nyansa ne nim de ono so watintim, na wo so akofa, na wakan, na wanya factual knowledge. Now they are experiential knowledge. And no matter family now do bubra. That's not how we're made to live our lives. We're made with potential, yet we lack the tools and the kind of knowledge in order to improve. I think for the lack of knowledge, my people perish. We are not perishing because we lack factual knowledge. We are not perishing because we lack experiential knowledge. We are perishing because we lack the divine revelation knowledge. Dodo na ebre, nyese won ko school. Dodo na ebre, nyese won sua de. Dodo na ebre, nyese won fa ne mu anya sua hunu. Ye ebre esan se nyansa ehia se bebu bra no apare ye. Eno nyansa ben. Nyansa ben na apare wo. The wisdom you need to navigate the circumstances of your life does not come from schools. It comes from divine revelation. Eye suahunu bi a efiri otwedi ampo ho de ma wo ye na ma wo wiaye o ka ma da ya wo de sore nante ye at the time you are supposed to work and work say nyansa na apare ye nim de beberebe o wiase nyina sabe ada ne nkwasasem minim ene aware say ye minim ene ohia minim ene abrawe ho krono ene asisie minim nyansa ya emfiri nyame ho eno ni pesa nkumanya krono ene sisie emne do ese nipa da sani ebisa say yesua wie ye no nyansa be na apare ye ya entimi enkenya tumidi onyankopon ede hye ye mu semfumbu bra. There's a need for us to go back to assess what we are missing in terms of the knowledge base, in terms of the wisdom required to make our lives better. Indeed, we need to upgrade our knowledge. So say ye nyesua hunu bi ese enye nyansa bi apare yen ne bibubra ahana medu besie edin yam giso eye ni tekotego me gidi se me Kenya watenka ene wadwene me kan se wo school enye me kan se ne ma fam na da na sanye de me se wako school wasua de wafa ne mem nanso so akade ba ko bi ya se wo de kan bra bo ho na e ma tumpon eno nti na me no te a ma me nya ha na me nam pedinfo obo am Adom TV ase na me na wo so a onya akwanhwe me woni onyame entina.